Hey folks, Mr. Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. We're in the house today with fresh biscuits and 3 different Alabama hot sauce fruit and pepper jams. We got a strawberry, we got a peach, and we got a mixed pepper. And we're putting them on fresh biscuits. So hang around. Let's talk about the Alabama hot sauce jellies. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. Today I'm going to do something that I've been waiting to do for about 2 weeks. I have a new product that I'm introducing this year to the internet. Now, I've always had this product in my farmers markets for the last 3 or 4 years, and that is pepper jelly. But it is so well received at my farmers markets, I decided this winter that I would secure the process authorities necessary to sell it across state lines, and that I'd add it to my collection of things that I sell on the internet. Now, I've got 3 types, and all 3 of these are made with jalapeno peppers. This is strawberry jalapeno pepper jam. This one is local peach jalapeno pepper jam. Now, this is made with peaches that were harvested and frozen last year from Isom Orchard, which is, I think, the finest orchard in the state. And then the final one is sweet and spicy mixed pepper jam. Now, this is not any hotter than the other 2. All of these, as a matter of fact, have a rather mild heat. But this one has both jalapenos and red bell peppers, which makes it a little special. They're all delicious. Now, I have here a tray full of biscuits, and there's no better way to sample jelly than biscuits. Biscuits are eaten all over the world, but they are a staple here in the South. They're cooked at home every day, daily, and they're used in every single meal, along with cornbread oftentimes. So I've got biscuits because I think it's the best way to really give you an idea of how a jelly tastes. Now, I'm going to do these one at a time, and I'm going to try to explain to you how they taste as I do it. Now, the first is going to be the strawberry. Strawberry is more than likely the most popular pepper jelly in the country. And this strawberry jelly that I've made is absolutely wonderful. I say jelly, it's actually a jam, but it's sort of in between a jelly and a jam. It's absolutely wonderful. It has an amazing aroma. And so I'm going to take one of these biscuits and I'm going to load it up with Alabama hot sauce. Strawberry jalapeno jelly jam. So, come in here and I'm going to put a good old glob of it on there. Now, the second one I'm going to load up, y'all will have to excuse me, this is I'm kind of messy when I handle things. The second one I'm going to load up is what is the Alabama favorite pepper jam or jelly, which is peach. This is the one made with Isom Orchard peaches. And you hear that little pop when we open it up. These things are very well and properly canned. So I'm going to put a pretty good serving of peach on there. And then I'm going to do one here with this sweet and spicy mixed jam. This one's a little more soft like a traditional jam because it has extra ingredients in it. So there we go. I got 3 of them. Now, I'm a good Southern boy, so don't y'all be surprised if I go for my iced tea while I'm doing this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go first with this strawberry jam. Oh, me. Strong strawberry taste. Not horribly sweet. I made these with less sugar than jams and jellies are typically made with. It's not a no sugar one, but it is made with less. So I get that almost a strawberry shortcake taste. And the heat is very, very minor. Now, the second one I'm going to try is the peach jam. I've already tried these things. I can tell you this one's good. So let's go with the peach. Oh, me. Every Southern boy loves peaches. And of course, we love peach jelly, peach jam. This one, the peach taste is a little more subtle. These were frozen for about 6 months. Frozen today, as a matter of fact, they were harvested. This is sweet, like the other one. A small taste of pepper, not hot at all. Anyone can eat these, by the way. They're not going to burn you up. Wow. Pardon me. Now, the sweet and spicy mixed jam. This is jalapeno. It's a small amount of both strawberry and peach fruit and little chunks of red bell pepper. Wow. This is really good. It'd be very difficult to beat this one. These 3 jams are brought to you in a 10-ounce jar. They're going to be very economical. Some small batch makers charge $15 a jar for it. I'm not going to be anywhere near that. These are all delicious. There will be 2 additional ones coming probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to have a blueberry jalapeno jam, and I'm also going to have apple butter. And the apple butter, I've tested both of them in the recipe development, are absolutely delicious. But anyway, here's the Alabama hot sauce, fruit, and jalapeno jams. Once again, we got the strawberry. we got the peach, and we have this mixed fruit, which is jalapeno, some fruits, and red bell pepper. And I got to tell you, folks, they're delicious. I strongly encourage you to take a look at these things. Consider getting them off of our website. They're available right now. I don't know how well I will do with keeping these in stock. Excuse me. I start next Saturday at my farmer's market. These things have always sold like crazy. It's not unusual for me to sell 35 to 50 jars of this at a Saturday farmer's market. But anyway, there we have it. If you hang around, I'm going to show you a little bonus footage here at the end involving these jellies that I think you're probably going to like. In addition to that, I have an end screen which is going to suggest a couple of other videos I'd like for you to watch. And I want you to become a regular on my channel. Once again, folks, this is Mr. Phil. I want to thank you for joining me. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up that tells YouTube you like what you saw. And if you'll ring that little bell on the screen, YouTube will send you a notice every time I publish a new video. Once again, this is Mr. Phil with Alabama Hot Sauce. I'll see you next time. All right, folks, I told you I was going to give you some bonus content. I have a bowl of Mayfield vanilla ice cream in front of me. And Mayfield ice cream is a Alabama standard. It's served almost everywhere you go eat. It's absolutely wonderful. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this jelly on this wonderful Mayfield ice cream. So I think what I'll do is I think I'm going to do the strawberry. So there we go. We got strawberry, Alabama hot sauce, strawberry jelly on this wonderful Mayfield ice cream. Now, I got a cup full here, so I'm going to have to do a little adjusting around here. Oh, me. This is absolutely great. Wonderful. I could eat ice cream like this all the time. Let's see what this one does. All right. Sorry. It's better with the peach on there. I like the peach. Anyway, that's my bonus content. Alabama hot sauce jellies are not just for biscuits. They're great on your ice cream. Again, folks, thank you. I'll see you next time. Hey folks, Mr. Phil with you. Click the suggested videos I've shown on this screen and see what you think. While you're here, push our logo and join our channel. Thank you for joining the Alabama Hot Sauce, where everything's made the Alabama Hot Sauce way.